Talofa, friends and family, everybody. I'm Mikaele Of Mauga from Mauga Mu Fireknife Club, and this is Training with Mika. Alright family, so for today, what I'm going to show you guys is been getting a lot of inquiries from a lot of people about how I train the basics. So I'm going to go through some of the basic motions, some of the basic spins for you guys, alright? So what I have here today is going to be the Vili Lima Lua and Vili Lima Tasi. So the Vili Lima Lua actually translates to Vili, Lima is hands, Lua is two hands. So that's why it's called Vili Lima Lua, also known as the Vili Lua. So Vili Lua starts off with the blade side on the top, just like so. So growing up, learning from my father, he actually taught me that there's a right way to catch it and a wrong way to catch it. So the right way, you always have to catch it with the blade facing up. So on the top of your dominant hand, it's always facing the top side. That's because anytime you're cutting in war, you know, you got to remember this was the traditional war weapon. So anytime you're cutting, anything that you're doing, the blade always has to hook. The blade always has to be on the top side. All right. So here it is. This is called the Vili Lima Lua, two-handed spin, also known as the Vili Lua for short. All right. So it's very easy. All you got to do is hold your hands out like this. Your dominant hand on the top, and all you want to do is go around and hit the bottom, just like so. All right. Now once you hit the bottom, you're gonna come around, hit the bottom, and pop it up, just like that. All right. Come around, hit the bottom, pop it up, just like that. Hit the bottom, pop it up. All you gotta do is flip it like that. All right. Hit the bottom, pop it up, just like that. And then that's when you can start going. Go faster and faster. Remember, always try to keep your nice stance like so. Nice low stance, legs open, just like that, all right? So that's called the Vili Lima Lua or the Vili Lua, just like that. All right, so now this next one is called the Vili Lima Tasi or the Vili Tasi, meaning Vili Lima Tasi, Vili with your one hand, or just the Vili Tasi for short, all right? So it's just like the two hands. You're gonna make one full rotation, grab it, all right? Just like that. So as you can see, I don't need my hand there. It's just gonna make a full rotation, just like so. Just like so. So once it comes all the way around, that's when you got it. Just like that. So you can practice like this, nice and easy. Once you start to get the hang, try to make it more smoother. And then you can start making your throws a little bit smaller so that you go faster, all right? So that's called the Vili Lima Tasi. Choo!
Hey, hey. Even my mama. Oh yeah.
All right, there you guys got it. Very easy, simple, basic motions. The Vili Lima Lua and the Vili Lima Tasi. Very basic motions, but family, if you guys enjoyed what you saw, if you guys want to see more of this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Also, if you have any questions, any comments, please don't forget to leave the comments down. I'll be more than happy to answer any of those. Or you can reach us all through our different avenues of social media. Everything will be in the description below. Of Tai Lava to Fast Food.